Now, a lot of us knows what is working for us already. We want to try everything out to achieve waist length in 1 year. That is being unrealistic. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Joy and I'm super excited to share with you guys my strategy, what I've been able to implement to be able to achieve a healthy long hair. So whether you're struggling with hair loss, hair breakage, hair thinning, damaged ends, or you're transitioning maybe from a relaxed hair to natural hair, or probably you're just trying to spice things up with your hair care routine, then you're definitely at the right place. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you two of my topmost strategy. I like to call them strategy because I started implementing these strategies and it has worked for me over time. And I'm very sure it's going to help you achieve your hair goals. I used to struggle with hair loss, hair thinning, damaged ends, a lot of knots, split ends, what have you. I've made a lot of mistakes, trials and errors until I was able to settle with these two strategies that has helped me, that I'm sure that if you implement today, you're going to see the changes that you're expecting. So make sure you watch this video to the end to receive the full benefits. And of course, if you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share with as many people that are facing challenges like this. And then lastly, turn on your notification bell to be updated and notified for my future uploads. So hair growth strategy is an action that you plan to take to help you to see results. It may be changing your diet, your hair care routine, switching up things to help you achieve your hair length, your lifestyle, or maybe the products that you're using, whatsoever it is. They are all strategies that helps us when we are considering hair growth and hair care. So number one of that on my top list is being realistic with your expectation. So what that means is the fact that you're understanding that hair growth is a slow process. So it's not something that is going to happen magically overnight. It's not something that is going to happen within a short period of time. Once you have this understanding, then you are going to be free from pressure, because a lot of people are pressured. They're under pressure to grow that hair as quick as possible, and that is because they don't understand the fact that hair growth is a slow process. It's going to take time. So once you start being realistic with what you're expecting, let's say for example you intend to grow your hair to waist length in 4 years. 4 years. Of course, there are a lot of things you have to change, a lot of things you have to do, a lot of things you have to implement to help you achieve that. But first, you have to understand how much your hair grows like every month. When you have that understanding, you calculate, okay, what am I expecting in so amount of time. That is being realistic. Now, things can go wrong in between. Of course, a lot of us suffer setbacks, but by the time you're being realistic and you understand this growth process, definitely you're going to see yourself moving towards your hair goals. But being unrealistic is thinking that some magic product is going to help you to grow your hair in 6 months to waist length, in 1 year to waist length. No, it doesn't happen that way. And I see that that's the reason why a lot of people jump from product to product, because there's this product promising them to achieve waist length in 1 year. You have short hair that is as short as ear length, and you're expecting that it's going to get to your waist in 1 year. That is being unrealistic, trust me. So having a realistic expectation really helped me. It helped me to move past that, habit of jumping to trends, doing all sorts of things just because we want to grow our hair faster. So now that brings me to the second point, which is consistency. Now, consistency is the name of the game. But sadly enough, this is the most difficult thing for a lot of us naturals. Like, to be patient, to wait it out on that routine, to wait it out on that product, to see how far we can go. It's so difficult to wait, to be patient. So you see a lot of these big natural hair YouTubers with long gorgeous hairs, like the likes of Natural Academia, Lindsay Chris, I think, and Miss Charity. So many of them, they did not grow out their hair in 1 year. They didn't grow out their hair in 2 years, definitely not in 3 years, to the length that they have right now. So I'm sure that they put things into place and being consistent with routines and all. They stuck to something that worked for them, and that is why they have the results they have today, and we are able to use them as examples. So I started being consistent. I was intentional about being consistent with what I knew already is working for me. Now a lot of us knows what is working for us already, but we want to try everything out. Make sure that it's not the detriment of the goal you're trying to achieve. So being consistent will get you to your desired length. Being consistent will help you to achieve your hair goals. So while I am sitting right here, I'm being realistic, I'm being consistent with what works for my 4C, kinky, textured, kind of hair. Then you out there, maybe 3A, 3B, you're realistic with what is working for you, you're consistent with what is working for you, definitely you're going to see results. You're going to see results. We might not reach the same length at the same amount of time, but we're getting the healthy hair growth that we're expecting, because I know a lot of us want to have healthy long hair. That is the end goal. So these are the two things that I feel like if you start implementing, you're going to see a change in your hair growth if you're not already experiencing a healthy hair growth journey. So I hope you guys find value in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something from it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share to as many as possible that are in this situation, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be updated and informed when I upload a new video. That is all I have for you guys. Until I come your way in my next one, bye bye.